pig farmers, pig lovers, welcome back to Edovasal. So this is how we keep our animals safe every month. Uh, Today is the 7th of May. Today is the 7th of May, and on the first day of May, we win another batch of piglets into the fattening section. So, what we do at the end of every month, beginning of every new month, we try to vaccinate all our pigs. Uh, uh, from the grower, from the weaners, newly weaned pigs, to the growers and the uh, finishers, the packers. Okay, so right now I'm at our fattening hub, and over there is a production unit where the mothers and the growers, the sows and the growers, uh, deliver their babies, nurse them, then we bring them over here. And currently, due to the use of Edovasal pig feed, we started adopting Edovasal pig feed in this our fattening hall. We have started weaning our pigs at 4 weeks old, and they are really the test we are conducting is showing that they are really doing very well. Okay, at least we are getting an average of 350 grams daily weight gain on the newly weaned pigs, 350 grams average on the newly weaned pigs using our Edovasal pig feed. And one thing is that the pig feed is very, very affordable. Okay, at 6,000 naira, you can get it to your farm. We will send it to you wherever you are in Nigeria. We will send it across to you. So this is how we make it easy. Earlier, before now, we use when we inject a pig, we use a marker, pig marker, or paint spray, spray paint, and indicate the one we have done. But we thank God for our new sites. The farm is well built, and you can see this little door here without door, dividing the two portions, the two rooms. Now this helps us, we can now block off one section of the room. So when we inject a pig, we move it to the other section. That way, we just focus on injecting the pig, not inject and spray your paint. Inject and mark the one you know. This makes it easier for us. So I've done one. We have about 12 to go. Let's go. So when you are injecting, you support your piglet this way, and then you go for the subcut region by the next side here. Okay, we have done this. Sometimes they struggle. They don't know that you are trying to save their lives. So I try. So let's take enough. So don't mind the clothes I'm putting on. This is especially for farm work. After now, I'll go and take a shower, remove these clothes, wash it for another farm work. Okay, so we don't make the video so long. we'll be cutting it here. So this is how we do it at Edovasal Pig Farm. And over here, you can see their dry feed, the Edovasal pig feed. So one good thing is you can even put as much as you want. Uh, Currently, we are now using ad-lib system. The ad-lib system means there is constant food at their feeding area, and because it's dry, the feed is always fresh. So anyone they remain before we come for work in the morning, you will find them already eating what they left over yesterday. So this is Edovasal pig feed. If you need, let us know. If you need winners, you need breeding stock, also let us know using the phone numbers attached to this the description of this video. The AIRTEL line, the MTN line. To chat us up on WhatsApp, use the MTN line. Till next time I come your way, keep farming right and stay blessed.